What's up, guys? So this is going to be the last video here at the De Villiers residence for now. So Zane's got this mousse that we're going to install for him, and we've got some Spanjaard Mousse. So we're going to pull off the rear wheel, obviously, and for this we're going to use a little bit of YouTube magic. So hello Ava. Hey. So let's see if we can do this. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so just like that, we got the tire off. No issues at all. So this is going to be a bit of a chore because we don't have a tire changing rig, but we have a rubber mallet, 2 tire spoons and 2 tire levers. So that should do the trick with a bit of effort. So I think what we're going to do, I'm going to set up the tripod, put you guys on time lapse, and then you get to see us struggle. Cool. You ready, Zane?
Let's do it.
Yes. Yes, man. Always a yes, man. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the old tube out. Now preferably you want to wear gloves because otherwise you get dirty hands and the mousse lube tends to stain your hands a bit. What are you doing, man?
I'm just feeling this big black mousse. Okay, so we got some mousse lubricant here from Spanjaard. So I'm going to give that a go. Got gloves on. Crack it open. Ooh, and nice clear color. And then I'm assuming we just apply this all over.
Yeah, you just kind of rub it on, lube the mousse up nice like, and then we'll stick it back into the bike.
So Rickard, why are we applying this lube here?
So obviously the reason you want to apply mousse lube, sorry, we are very, very childish and inappropriate. Like I said, we're not professionals. Anyways, the reason you want to lube the mousse is so it just lasts longer. You don't want it to dry out because it'll start to deteriorate. So this just extends the lifespan of the mousse a little bit. And if you drive through or ride through a lot of water, you have to lube your mousse more regularly. So as you can see, Zane's got it all lubed up.
And yeah, shout out for Craig for the little mousse hookup here. Once again, thanks Craig for the hookup here. And Spanjaard for all the products we need to get this in there.
Yeah, so now that that's done, we're gonna pop the camera back on time lapse, stick the mousse in and try and beat the tire again. Sweet. Alright, and just like that, we are done. It is much simpler to do with 2 capable people, enough tire levers, and I think this, like the compound, of this tire. It's a Mita single green compared to like the Bridgestone X30 that I have. It's obviously a lot softer, so made working the tire back on a lot easier. So now Zane's gonna pop the tire back on, and that would be it. So once again, as always, hit the like button, share it, and hit subscribe. And as always, peace out. Say bye, Zane.
Cheers, guys.
Peace. Hello and welcome back to the videos. Preferably you want to wear gloves, because otherwise you get dirty hands and the mousse lube tends to stain your hands a bit. What are you doing, man?
I'm just feeling this big black mousse. So Rickard, why are we applying this lube here? Why can't I just...
So the reason
Sorry about that.
So obviously lube makes everything
Oh. So Rickard, tell us why are we lubricating this mousse?
I can't keep this straight. So
Got your legs